Stack the controller module and the energy storage module together. Connect the power switch properly. 2. Turn on the start switch. 3. Turn on the energy storage module switch. 4. Turn on the circuit breaker switch and you can use it. It can store solar energy and the real-time status can be viewed on the app. The device can be used to charge the vehicle or supply power to the entire house. Various functions can be set on the app. It can also supply power to the photovoltaic storage charging equipment and other devices through the vehicle's battery discharge.